Do you want to know how to edit your pictures from this to this? Do you have a not so good camera and you want to make the pictures better? Do you want to make your dark and underexposed picture more brighter and vibrant? If yes, then keep watching. So obviously the girl in the picture is me. That's my little sister, and I took a picture of her when it wasn't sunny, and I didn't just want to leave the picture like that. I had to make it brighter, so I used the steps I'm going to show you. So if you're new here, my name is Deelah and you're welcome to my channel. Thanks for clicking on the video and stopping by to watch. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tap on the bell to get notifications from me when I post. Let's get into the video. So the apps you need are, I don't know, sometimes I call it VSCO or VSCO. I don't really know how it's pronounced, but you need that, and then you also need Lightroom. So the first app I'm going to use for stage 1 is VSCO or VSCO, anyone. So I'm going to get the image. There it is. Import that. Use the plus icon to get it, and when it's imported you click on edit, and then you're going to see 2 lines at the bottom. You click on that. So what we're going to work with first is the exposure. We're going to bring the exposure to, let me see, we'll bring it to 2. Then go next with contrast. Take the contrast to 0.5. Then we'll go with saturation because I don't use sharpen and clarity. Go to saturation. Let's see, make the saturation 1.9 or 2 to make it brighter. Then use tone. For highlights we're going to use 1.4 or 1.3, anyone. Then for the shadow I'm going to use 1.1. Yes, 1.1, and that's all I do with VSCO or VSCO. Then click on next, then you save it. Finito. So for the next step, for stage 2, we are going to use Lightroom, and Lightroom is going to make the picture look better, and this is where most of the work is done. So with the icon down below that has a plus sign, click on it, then click on from camera roll. We are going to get the image, the last one we edited. This is it here. So you click on done mark, then get the image again. No, this isn't the image. Get the image, and then auto is just like the app's best fit for the image, but I'm not going to use auto. I'm going to undo that. So I'm going to start with light, then I'm going to use the exposure. I'm going to make the exposure, let's say 0.3 to 0.36. Then for contrast I'll make it -9. Then for the highlights you can make that +6. Then for the whites, I skip shadow. Let me do shadow first. For the shadow I'll make shadow 28. Then for the whites I'll make that 32. Then for the black I'll make that -9. Then go to color. Then for the temperature, make that let's see, -11. Then for the tint, make that +11. Then for the vibrance, I'm going to make the vibrance see how bright the vibrance makes it look. We'll make it 15. Then for saturation, make the saturation 13. Let's see, yeah, 13 should work fine. Then we'll go to effects. In texture, we're going to make the texture let's see, -3. Then for clarity, we make clarity -6. Then the haze, I'm not going to touch the haze. Vignette, no. And for the grain adds like dust particles to your image, but I'm not going to use that for this. So I'm going to go to details, sharpening, look at what sharpening does to it. It makes it just like, well, I say, okay, emphasize on all the lines of the image, and I don't want that, so I'll make the sharpening let's say 26. Then for the radius we use 1.3. then the details I can make that 20. Okay, it's already on 25. Good. Then masking, I take masking to 100. Then noise reduction, it likes clear spots and all that, so I'm going to make noise reduction 30. As you can see, this naughty girl here has a very flawless skin, so she doesn't need much of it. So that will be all. I don't do anything to contrast and color noise reduction. If you guys have any other questions that you want to ask, like if you need any more tips on how to edit, like there are some images that you in the picture will be looking colorful, then the background will be dark. If you like want to know how to do that, put in the comment section below. And that will be all. I said that will be all again, and that's it. That's how to edit your pictures and make them brighter. So what we're going to do is to save it, export it to camera roll, and that will be all. So we have successfully turned this picture into this. So this is why you need to edit your pictures, because it will make them look brighter than they were. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also check me out on Instagram at Deelah_E, and just check out my other content over there. So thank you for watching. Stay safe and have a nice day. Bye.